Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just did a very quick shopping spree on Sephora, so I don't know what you guys have been up to this quarantine, but I'm at that point where I'm just like going crazy and I'm just like blowing my money that I don't have right now just to be excited about something. So anyways, I went on Sephora. There were a bunch of sales, so I did get a few things. I think I only spent around $100 and I got a good amount of stuff. So I just wanted to share that with you guys today. It's really quick. I did also get something from Amazon. So some of these products I've already used and I already like them, or I kind of like just tested it out once or twice. So I don't have like a solid review on them, but I can do another video in the future and show you guys. So anyways, let's get started. I first got this value set from First Aid Beauty. So it's Say No to Acne. I have been breaking out a little bit just because I haven't been eating the best. So I love First Aid Beauty in general. Like, I've used a bunch of their products. Their skincare is really amazing and it works. And it's relatively like a reasonable price. It's not too expensive. So anyways, the first thing I've talked about in my other video, these are the acne clearing pads with white clay. This is like the smaller size, but this stuff is magic. Like, I'm obsessed with this. Anytime I feel like I have a breakout, like I feel like pimples coming out, or I have one already, it only, like, if I use this pad, it takes like maybe 1 or 2 days and it's gone. It dries it out. So just make sure that you don't use this every single day. You just use it when you need it. But other than that, it's amazing. And then it came with the acne clearing charcoal cleanser. This one I used at least like twice so far. What I find is that it's very creamy. So I don't know about you guys, but I usually don't like oily or creamy cleansers. I feel disgusting on my face and I feel like it's not clean. Like, I like that squeaky clean feeling. So this does feel creamy when you put it on, but when you wipe off your face and you clean your face, it actually doesn't like feel oily or anything, and it doesn't feel super dry. Like, it feels fresh and clean, but it's still moisturized. So I do like this so far. And then the last one I haven't tried yet, but I will review in the future. This is the purifying mask with red clay. So that's what it looks like. And everything in this set is a pretty good size. So we're getting a lot of products, and I believe, I'm not 100% sure, but I want to say it was around $30 to $40 Canadian. So that's pretty amazing considering the sizes that it comes with and like how great these products are. So I will do a review in the future, but basically those three were in there. The next thing I got was the Sephora mattifying moisturizer. So it's called Super Hydrant Super Matte Moisturizer, whatever. Super Matte Moisturizer. So I've never used Sephora's skincare line, so I don't know how it is. I was a little bit nervous, but I did use this under my makeup today. So far I like it. It's really thick and creamy, so I do think it is really hydrating. And then I feel like my face is still matte. Like, I use other products in general to matte out my skin just because I do have combination skin and I get oily. So this should go well with everything else. I can do a review for it later. But so far I like it. The next thing I got is Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation in the color Fawn. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's basically like a grayish color. This is actually really thick, so I feel like if I did it all over my skin, it does probably have really good coverage, but I'm just using it to contour. So based off of that, I was happy with it. It's like more of like a grayish kind of cool tone bronzer, which is what you want for contouring. You don't want to do anything too warm because it looks like orange and fake. You want to go for something that's going to mimic a real like shadow. So this is the color for that. It's called Fawn. And then I got this lip set from, it's the Sephora line, but they did like a collection with Lily lashes. So I'll just quickly show you guys. These are the shades. So I haven't used all of them today yet, but today I used this one, and this one's called Money. So this one's more of like a cool tone nude, kind of like a grayish nude. I'm wearing this today, and underneath I put Angel Cakes from Kylie Cosmetics, and then I lined it with Malibu lip liner from Kylie, which is more of like a grayish brown. So I really like this color so far, and because I'm on the paler side right now, I always like to put like a really light nude, just kind of matte out my lip and then lighten up the color. So that's what I did, and this is what came out of it. I love it so far. So that's a love. Then the next one is called Boss Babe. So it's more of like a plummy nude. I think this would be a really nice fall color, or if you have like a deeper skin tone, this would look really amazing, and even with like a gloss over it. I will do a swatch and I'll throw it in this video so you guys can see. But yeah, so Boss Babe, and then this is like a really true red. So for you girls that love like that pop of color and you love reds, I would definitely check this out. It's called Hustla. I can do a video with a red if you guys want. And then the last one is called Self-Made, and it's just like a really light gold gloss. So honestly, like usually I don't really do my makeup. I do really light makeup or like no makeup, but I always throw in a gloss. So I gravitate towards these kind of shades where it's just really clear or a little bit of a shimmer. So I think I'll like this a lot. And so far the liquid lipstick itself isn't too drying. It's not too matte and too drying where I feel like my lips are cracking and I need a gloss, so that's a really good plus. I usually hate liquid lipsticks that dry your lips too much, so I do like that about these ones. From the top you have Money, then you have Boss Babe, then you have Hustla, and then you have Self-Made, which is like that really light gloss. And then underneath, like right on this side, that's Fawn from Anastasia. Is this nail drill. And I got this from Amazon. I can put the link down below of like the seller that I bought it from. But it's basically, it comes with like a pinkish, like a really cute pink nail drill. It comes with all the different heads for that and a bunch of different like files for the tips and a bunch of extra ones. So I have been doing my nails at home. I suck at doing nails. I don't know about you guys, but it took me a whole day to do these. But I think I did an okay job. This is like the second time that I've done my own nails with the dip powder. So when this quarantine started, I went to my local supplier and I ordered a bunch of nail stuff. So I got like the OPI dipping powder. So I got a clearer shade, I got Mod About You, and I got what's it called, Funny Bunny. So Funny Bunny is the one I have on my nails now. So I did one coat of the clear, and then I think I did one coat of Funny Bunny because I really like that clear kind of white color. I don't like it like super white and matte. So I did like how it came out, and then I had to get 3 different polishes. So it was like the base coat, the activator, and the top coat. And the good thing with dip is that you don't need a light or anything to really dry it. Like I just left the top coat to dry on its own, like air dry a little bit, but once you throw the activator on, it like seals everything and hardens everything. So if you guys don't have a lamp at home and you don't want to like spend too much, I would go through and get like the dipping system. I used to get my nails like with dip powder and I loved it. Like it was really it wasn't damaging, and it was really thick and strong. Like I didn't really have any like breakage or anything like that. So anyways, I'm hoping this nail drill can help because I didn't have anything for my cuticles so far. If you guys want to see a review, or if you guys want to see like a little tutorial, obviously I'm not an expert or anything, but if you want to see a little tutorial from someone like you that's trying to do this at home and kind of like what I did and how I got to this point, let me know. But other than that, guys, I hope you liked my video. If you have tried any of these products before, leave a comment down below. Let me know if you do like them. And as always, please like this video and please subscribe if you like to see more from me. Okay, bye guys.